here is how we can speed up your Samsung Galaxy A17. The first thing that we're gonna do is open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down in order to find the device care. There we go. Then we can go to the memory. Wait a couple of seconds to let the phone check the memory, and over here we can clean our memory. And this simple button allows you to restore some RAM to clean up the RAM usage. Besides that, we can find the RAM Plus option that allows you to extend the memory up to 8 GB. So if you need more RAM, you can of course switch. If you decide to choose the RAM, make sure to restart your phone to apply these changes. There we go. And besides that, what you can also do is turn off the power saving mode if you have it enabled, of course. So in this case, we're gonna go back and we can open battery settings. Let me actually try to find it. There we go. Here we have our battery settings, and make sure that power saving option is not enabled because it can limit the CPU speed to 70%. Of course, make sure that you sometimes visit background apps, so the apps that are running in the background over here, so that you can close them, so they are not running in the background all the time. You can also check active app over here in the top left corner in order to, for example, stop background activity in case you don't need that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.